Bonjour, Jean-Pierre. So what you have to do, these aren't correct, unfortunately. What you have to do is, for Luogi, you have to say where he's going. So in the first example, if you listen to, because you have to listen to the recording, obviously, you have to see where he's going, what is the place he's going, and how he's getting there, whether it's by car, by bus. So in the recording you will hear in the first one, for example, Gigi all'ospedale in ambulanza. Ambulanza, I'm not sure. So you have to listen to the recording. In the first one, Luogi, you have to say where they're going. So in the first example, where they're going is the hospital. So Gigi all'ospedale. Mbagħad Komiċi va in how is he getting there, whether it's by car, by bus. So you have to listen to the recording that is posted on Google Classroom, and you have to fill these in. You have to rub these off, and you have to listen to each one and fill it in. If you want, you can, when you're ready, send them to me, and I'll show them to my father, and he'll tell me if they're correct, okay?